Have you looked in the mirror lately and thought to yourself, where did my strength go? Maybe your arms don't feel as firm as they used to. Your legs tire quicker than before. Once upon a time, you carried the grocery bags all in one trip. Now, it takes 2, sometimes 3. You used to spring out of bed, now you move slower, your body feeling stiff, your energy taking longer to rise. You're doing your best. Eating decently. Moving when you can. Maybe you've even tried protein shakes or those so-called muscle boosters. But somehow, nothing seems to work the way it used to. Here's what few doctors are talking about, especially in America. After 60, your body naturally starts sending fewer muscle-building signals. Even if you're feeding it the right foods, your system might not be listening. But there's hope. You don't need more pills, supplements, or punishing workouts. What if I told you that 3 specific, natural drinks could help your body reignite muscle growth? Simple drinks, yes, but backed by real science and designed to help your body absorb nutrients better, fight inflammation, and trigger the muscle-building switch. Today, I'll walk you through the top 3 drinks every senior in the US should know about, drinks that are easy to make, inexpensive, and transformative. And don't worry, we're not talking about exotic powders or products from across the globe. These are designed for real people, in real kitchens, right here in the United States. Before we get into the drinks, let's talk about why muscle loss happens after 60, and why most advice falls short. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. It starts slowly in your 30s, but by the time you reach 60, it speeds up. Every year, your body becomes a little less efficient at rebuilding what it breaks down. And unfortunately, most mainstream advice focuses only on one thing, protein. But the truth is, muscle loss isn't just about how much protein you eat. It's about whether your body knows what to do with it. That comes down to hormone levels, inflammation, hydration, and the timing of your meals and movement. You see, when you wake up in the morning, your body is in a fasted state. If it's dehydrated or inflamed, or if your liver is sluggish, your body shifts into a catabolic state. That means it starts breaking down tissues, including muscle, to survive. But if you give it the right signals, hydration, nutrients, and circulation, it can shift into an anabolic state, one that builds and protects muscle. And this is where our first drink comes in. Drink number 1 is warm lemon water with sea salt and optional electrolytes. It's one of the simplest morning drinks, yet one of the most powerful. When you sleep for 7 to 9 hours, your body loses fluid through breathing and sweating. By the time you wake up, you're already dehydrated. Drinking warm water with the juice of half a lemon helps kickstart digestion and gently alkalize your body. Adding a pinch of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt provides essential minerals like sodium, magnesium, and potassium, electrolytes that your muscles rely on. If you have access to an unsweetened electrolyte powder without added sugar or artificial colors, that's a great addition too. Drinking this first thing in the morning helps rehydrate your cells, supports liver detoxification, and stabilizes early blood sugar. The lemon supports bile flow, which aids digestion and fat metabolism. Meanwhile, the salt replenishes minerals your body needs for muscular contractions and nerve signals. All this sets the foundation for better nutrient absorption throughout the day. Seniors often miss hydration as a muscle loss factor, but it's critical. When your muscle cells are dehydrated, they literally shrink, and they can't rebuild efficiently. Let's move to the second drink, golden milk, also known as turmeric milk. This is an evening drink, and it's designed to support muscle recovery while you sleep. Because here's something most people overlook, your muscles repair and grow at night, not during the day. That means if your sleep is poor, or your body is inflamed, your muscle repair suffers. Golden milk is a warm, soothing blend of turmeric, black pepper, ginger, cinnamon, and your choice of non-dairy milk like almond or coconut. Heat up the milk gently, stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to activate the curcumin, a bit of cinnamon for blood sugar control, and a dash of ginger powder for digestion and inflammation support. If tolerated, you can add a teaspoon of collagen powder. This blend is deeply healing. Turmeric reduces systemic inflammation, which is a huge cause of muscle breakdown in seniors. Ginger and black pepper improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Cinnamon helps stabilize your blood sugar through the night, preventing those early morning crashes that lead to muscle loss. And drinking something warm before bed helps signal your nervous system to wind down, improving sleep quality. The better you sleep, the more growth hormone your body releases. And growth hormone is one of the key triggers for muscle regeneration. This drink is especially helpful for American seniors dealing with arthritis, joint pain, or nighttime leg cramps. It's comforting, effective, and tastes like a warm hug. Now, let's talk about drink number 3. This one's for the mid-morning or early afternoon energy dip. It's an amino-enhanced green smoothie designed to be light on your stomach but powerful for your muscles. Start with a cup of unsweetened almond or oat milk. Add half an avocado for healthy fats and creaminess. Toss in a handful of spinach or kale, and half a cup of blueberries for antioxidants. Now, here's the key: add a scoop of essential amino acids, especially one that contains leucine, the amino that triggers muscle protein synthesis. If you don't have amino powders, a scoop of clean collagen peptides works too. Optionally, you can add a spoon of chia seeds or flaxseed for fiber. Blend it all up with a few ice cubes and enjoy. This drink supports your muscles without being heavy or overly filling. It provides high-quality amino acids that your aging body needs, along with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Most seniors in America struggle to eat large protein meals. This smoothie provides the building blocks without the burden. Leucine in particular activates a muscle-building pathway called mTOR, which becomes less active as we age. That's why this drink isn't just nutrition, it's a signal. A signal to your body that it's time to preserve muscle, not break it down. Now, imagine if you combine these 3 drinks into a daily routine. In the morning, you start with warm lemon water and minerals. Midday, you enjoy an amino-rich green smoothie. And before bed, you sip golden milk while your body repairs. You're covering hydration, inflammation, digestion, amino support, and circadian hormone balance, all through gentle, natural drinks. This daily rhythm doesn't require gyms, supplements, or massive changes. Just a new morning, midday, and evening routine. And because this is for American seniors, let me share a few practical tips. Use filtered tap water instead of bottled whenever possible to avoid plastics and contaminants. Check for affordable collagen or amino powders at CVS, Target, or Costco. There's no need to buy the most expensive brands. Avoid flavored electrolyte packets with added sugar. Read the labels. If it says sugar-free but contains artificial sweeteners or dyes, skip it. Buy lemons in bulk from your local grocery store. You can slice and freeze them in small bags to save time. Choose unsweetened almond or oat milk as your base for drinks, skip sweetened versions that spike your blood sugar. And lastly, if you're on medication, especially for blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinning, talk to your doctor before adding turmeric or electrolyte-rich drinks, just to be safe. So let's wrap this up. Muscle loss after 60 is real. But it's not a life sentence. Your body still has the blueprint to rebuild. It's simply waiting for the right signals. These 3 drinks, lemon salt water, an amino-enhanced green smoothie, and anti-inflammatory golden milk each play a role in flipping the switch. From breakdown to rebuilding. From fatigue to strength. From frustration to freedom. You don't need to overhaul your life. Just start with these simple additions. Tomorrow morning, reach for lemon water instead of coffee. Midday, sip something green and nourishing. Before bed, give your body a golden glow of support. Your strength isn't lost. It's waiting. And every sip brings it closer. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and consider subscribing. I share videos daily to help seniors across the United States age with strength, energy, and dignity naturally. You've got the tools now. Use them. Because your best years still have muscle in them.